Hello, I'm Chris Averill. I'll be conducting the AP U.S. History Western Kentucky week-long summer institute, and I hope to see you there. I've had extensive experience in the field of AP U.S. History teaching with over 37 years of teaching AP U.S. History, involvement in the AP reading as an exam leader, a DBQ question leader, also served a stint on the College Board's Test Development Committee, and I've also had vast experience with publishers of AP U.S. History resources. And I hope to use those experiences to assist any attendee in creating a very strong and skills-based AP U.S. History course. Our week will include everything from how to spiral writing, which is a considerable task for teachers, and the organization of content, but also the examination of very valuable resources that will aid you in creating your AP U.S. History course. I hope to see you this summer.